now that we have all the technical details out of the way, let's go ahead and give this multi-cooker a try. So what I have right here is some chicken kebabs that I throw together. They're nothing fancy. I just drizzle them in some olive oil, sprinkled them with a little salt and pepper, and then some Greek seasoning. And I use the Cavender's Greek seasoning. I love that. So what I'm going to do is set this to the side, and I'm going to plug up my multi-cooker, and I'm going to slide the heat control all the way to the highest temperature it will go. Now I'll be using the grill pan for the multi-cooker. I'm going to allow that to come up to heat and get real good and hot, and then I'll start adding these chicken kebabs. So I'll be back in just a moment. My pan is now heated really good and hot, so I'm going to start placing the chicken kebabs inside the multi-cooker. Now when I first went to fix these chicken kebabs, I tested and tried out the length of my skewers compared to the size of my grill pan. And they were maybe an inch too long, so I just broke the ends off the skewers and it works just fine. So you might want to check your skewers if you get one of these and want to try this to see how it's going to fit your pan. You might have to adjust yours a little bit. So I'm just going to allow these to fry real good on one side before I turn them over to fry on the other side. And I love that sizzle, and I love the smell already that's coming up off of these chicken kebabs. It's going to be such a quick and easy meal. I'm telling you, this little multi-cooker, it's got its use in the kitchen. It has its place here. I've already used it one day to fix me some breakfast in. It was so handy. Didn't have to turn on the electric stove. Use less power. I'm really loving it. Okay, I've been letting these sit here fry away for probably about 3 minutes. So I'm just going to take my tongs and give these each one of these skewers a little turn and allow them to start cooking on another side. So I'm just going to continue to do these steps over and over until all sides are cooked and have a nice sear. And then if I still think they need to cook just a little bit more to finish getting done in the center, what I'll do is put my lid on it and allow that heat to surround that chicken and vegetables and make sure that they're cooked all the way through. But this chicken breast doesn't take long to cook through, so I may not need to even do that. But we'll see as we go. Okay, I've tested my kebabs and they are completely cooked through. So right now I'm just going to remove this lid and set it to the side. Now that they're all completely cooked through, I'm going to turn the heat all the way down and unplug it from the outlet. Now I've got a plate of rice I'm going to put these kebabs on, so I'll be right back. There we go. Chicken kebabs in the multi-cooker. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope I encouraged you to maybe consider getting you one of these multi-cookers. I think they're great. They have a lot of possibilities for use. They don't take up a lot of room in the kitchen. And they're just so super handy to plug right up and just go straight into use them. So I thank you all for watching me today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Now if you haven't already, please subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye.